channel. That's 7,700 miles on a FLHXSE. That is a CVO version of the Street Glide. It is 117 cubic inches on a Milwaukee-Eight engine. Again, I didn't say this before, 2018 is the year of the model, with a denim. It's two-tone denim, red stripe, and then a gloss gray. There are speakers upgraded onto the saddlebags. The seat is upgraded with a orange stitching, passenger pillion, and backrest. The Tombstone lights are on the rear, as well as the Screamin Eagle exhaust. Easy one-touch release on the saddlebag. Give you full access to the duffel bag inside. Owner's manual. And the quick release valves to get to the rear suspension. Nice 117-inch cubic inch derby cover. Heel shift as well. Floorboards. Lower fairing speakers. That is a Boom Audio Stage 2. Heat guards as well. You have heated grips. Aftermarket CIRO. Phone mount. Hydraulic clutch. The 2018 models. So it's 6 speakers total, fitted with a Sirius XM modification. Infotainment system with GPS lasting a little lifetime, and the LED headlights and turn signals in the front. Absolutely beautiful machine. Beautiful machine. With only 7,700 miles, this beauty's looking for a new owner. Come on by for a test ride today. Please like, subscribe, and comment below to know more. Thank you.